Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and webcodecamp. In this tutorial I'm going to showing to you how to get GitHub repository using REST API and Vue.js 3. At first you will come to my GitHub account and uh, or I will give you this link in my description below. Okay, check it in my description below, then you will get it. Then you will come to this link and click here, and this is our project. I will develop it in the visual Vue.js 3. Okay, when you will come here in this folder, this repository, and you will show it two file here. One is start and two is end, like that. When you will come here in this folder location, then you will show it start file, and simply click here start folder and click this, and just you will download this here code, then download zip. I already downloaded it in my desktop. Okay, this is my folder, and I will open it in CMD. Just code dot, it will open in my Visual Code Studio. Then I'll open start file. I click this here simply. Okay, I'll cut it. Then you have to go the src folder, then component and repository. Just you will show it in this file, and it is very simple for beginners, and I will show you how to build up and GitHub repository in this tutorial. Okay, so this is my demo structure code, and very soon I will develop it in the with Vue.js 3. Okay, so open your terminal and make sure that you will file your file location is correct, like that. I will open it, and here, okay, that is my file location, like that. JS practice and Vue.js tutorial and REST API GitHub repository and webcodecamp. Then you will just simply write here cd and file location strt start, then click enter. Okay, then simply here type npm install. Okay, click the enter, then wait for few seconds. Okay, I'll skip this video just 1 minute. Okay, that's it, already finished, and then you can run just npm install, and when your npm install is has done, then you can run the npm run sarb. Okay, I will check it again. npm run sc sarb. Okay, okay, just wait. And when okay, this is the GitHub repository project. I will customizing this project very soon. This design is very simple, and you will show it. This design is very simple, and so static content is bottom, like that here. And our goal is to the get GitHub repository using API, and why working on APIs we need to know. And end of the point, end of the method will be get data from the GitHub API GitHub. Okay, I think you will understand it. But you know that when you can search anything here and to Google GitHub API, a new tab, like that. I will come back in my browser and just simply type here GitHub API. Okay, then click this enter, like that. GitHub API, and it will open new tab. You have to go to Google and then write simply REST API, then rechoose in the REST API, and here you will come this page, and just you will show it the api.github.com. Then just copy, simply copy it. Okay, then you have to go to your Windows search bar, then just simply write here Postman, then click here and open it, and you have to go. Okay, I will come back in my Postman, then I'll click here simply, just click here, then paste your URL, copy it just from it, and obviously you will make sure that you get method. Okay, click here. Okay, this is your API, GitHub API. Okay, and just simply type here api.github.user. Okay, I want to tell you, this is not compulsory use of the API of software using Postman. This is not compulsory for it, but when you will use it, then it will make easier. Username is Masuk Mia 1234. This is my GitHub username. Then slash repos. Okay, that is the GitHub or repository URL. Okay, API URL. Then make sure that with get response, get method, and then and click here send. Just click here. Okay, not found because this URL is not correct. Okay guys, I'll check it again. This showing to message this not found. That's it. Here I mistake. I mistake here. Okay, then click check it again and make sure that with get method, or click this button, send it, and okay, that's our you will show it some response are here. Okay, click this here. All response are here. Okay, this is my GitHub repository. All JSON file and folder URL, everything is here. Okay, then let's back out of the code editor. Okay, and I will remove it here. I will remove it. Okay, and to make sure that I will remove it here. Okay, that's it. Then open your terminal and install npm x. I'll cut it and I'll click this here again, and just type here cd start, click here, and just install here, install npm install axios. Okay, click here, wait few seconds and make sure that with the internet connection. Okay, successfully installed. Once it installed, and run your project again, and npm run serve. Just write here, simply put here npm run serve, then click this enter. Okay, wait a few seconds and click here and follow this control plus click here, and it will open in your localhost browser. Okay, this is the same one. one content is here like that. This is here, and if you want change it, just name here Vue.js project. Okay, then refresh it again, and just like that, Vue.js project. Okay, that's our good, and now it's working. You have to go to your folder location, then open it, src folder and components, then repository.vue. Okay, then inside of the javascript tag, then here right here import axios from axios. Okay, axios. Okay, that's it, and make sure that with semicolon. Okay, just after that repository, and you will put here simply data function. Okay, and return here just repos / null. Okay, then make sure that with this semicolon, and create here this hook like function. Axios dot get this here, type just a name, your username, and you'll come in you have to come your Postman and click this, just simply click this URL. Okay, then paste it here, then response this dot repos. Okay, equal response dot data. That's it. Into make sure that it's symbol. Okay, I will cut it here from here. Before here will two times the import dot axios from axios. That is for that it will showing to you error. That's it, and I will simply click here. Okay, that's good, and our project is successfully installed and run. Okay, I will simply define for loop, just b bind for. Okay, bind for equal repo in repos. Okay, then bbind key equal repo dot id here. Okay, no parsing error. Person missing the white space. Okay, the missing the white space and between attributes. Okay, I will just give here white space, then it will successfully run. Okay, id. Okay, then I'll view just here I'll type just project name, then okay, it will repo dot name. Here it will be name, then this is the URL. Here I will define URL repo dot I'll come back in my Postman, then I'll check it where my URL where this is the git URL. Okay, then I'll check it again. Okay, then that's our HTML URL. I'll just simply copy it and I'll paste it here. Okay, that's it. And here is the language HTML. That is the programming language. Okay, that's it. And just I'll type here repo dot language ln. It will be small letter. Obviously I'll check it again and just simply I'll check it HTML URL, and that's good. Okay, that is, I'll simply copy it and paste it here. Then your name equal that will be repo dot, and check it again. Full name owner. Okay, that will be owner, then login, owner dot, check your Postman method, then owner, then login. Okay, that's after that your username. For that I will I'll define repo dot owner, then login will small letter. Okay, that's it. And I'll check it. Okay, this is our repository project. Wow, this is excellent. And I uh, can you imagine this? And just one API, use it, and come back again in my Postman, that I will check it again, like that. Every JSON file and every file location is here. That is your API. Okay, that's your API dot get GitHub repository project in the get REST API, using REST API with Vue.js 3. Okay, then your your Git repository. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching this, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Okay.